ZimVie is an international medical device company with manufacturing facilities in Florida and Spain, including offices all around the world, specializing in dental solutions. In South Florida, we produce a couple million pieces a year through 50 or so CNC machines, producing product from raw material to packaged sterilized devices.
Here in Valencia, we're currently manufacturing 3 million parts a year, 1.5 million implants and 1.5 million components. And we have 4,000 different inspection plans.
At ZimVie, a lot of our difficulties in operations was around documentation, especially with many paper-based processes.
All the operators wrote all the results and signatures by hand, and we also had to store all the files, and we spent a lot of time checking that the documentation was readable and was complete. Also, when we needed to review manufacturing history, was a very time-consuming process.
So we formed a cross-functional team together with our other sister company that we have in the US. We had at the center the quality engineers, the business owners, but we also included representatives from production, calibration, and technicians. This mix was key because each function brought their own view of the process and their own requirements to the table.
1factory was selected because it was able to harmonize all those items into one digital solution, having one software that accomplishes all.
Our approach to the rollout was to review all the processes that we have right now on paper, and we translated them into 1factory language.
This transfer of information was crucial because we had to maintain specifications as we have now.
We validated the setup with a pilot area, collected the feedback, and finally expanded it to more areas.
Their development team was very knowledgeable about their own product, and it was easy to go back and forth with them, showing them our process and understanding what solutions they could provide for us.
Our training for the machinists and the inspectors was not challenging at all. Since the software is so easy to use, the user interface is very interactive, the adoption was smooth, and the transition was easy, and it was very collaborative.
We use 1factory throughout all the manufacturing process. It starts on the receiving inspection, raw material warehouse, every step of the manufacturing value stream until the final release operation.
The beauty of 1factory is that all the inspections, all the work plans, all the drawings, everything is stored on one server. Anybody can access these things from anywhere. All they need is the internet connection. You don't have to go and fetch paperwork to inspect a job or to inspect measurements.
The number of errors has been reduced dramatically.
Con 1factory hemos visto una mejora en la velocidad de traspaso de datos, puesto que a la hora de revisarlos enseguida detectamos si hay algún fallo o no, si están todos bien.
El software ha incrementado significativamente la liberación de los lotes, ya revisando todas las firmas y todas las cotas que estén correctamente dentro del plano. Igualmente, se agiliza en lo que es la liberación del producto.
Here at ZimVie, we have to get a QE, ME, and a programmer on board in order to release anything on the floor. 1factory inspection control feature allow us to have all these three individuals to be on the same page in order to release any kind of inspection plan or job on the floor. This means that all the departments are agreeing.
Data collection here has two different paths. One of them is the manual collection that the operator does on the table, cosmetic inspections, and then there's the other path that is data that we transfer automatically from vision system. These equipments transfer data automatically to templates on 1factory, and this is a big improvement for us.
1factory is recording all our data, all our measurements, and it's recording by part. It's, for example, part 1 it's been inspected 1,000 times. We have 1,000 data sets for that part. We know how that part has been reacting for 1,000 jobs, how many non-conformance measurements we had, how many failed jobs we had, how many failed inspection we had. So that's a big thing that we can monitor all these data now regularly, real time.
Having the calibration system integrated with the inspection system was an immediate improvement, making sure all inspections were done with calibrated gauges.
So one ordinary calibration in the old system took us about 10 minutes, and right now we have a calibration in 2 minutes.
It is amazing.
It's the greatest software that we ever had in here.
It gives us data we can trust, which is essential for making good decisions and for sustaining our long-term growth in a highly regulated market.
Compared to what I've been doing 5 years ago, and now everything is just like one click away, it's just amazing.